In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your email on your PayPal profile. If you want a little more privacy on your account, this is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few moments. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for, so the process is simple and easy to follow. To get started, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you can manage important details related to your account and profile. After you open the settings menu, go to the Account tab. This section contains several options connected to your personal account information, so take a second to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. If your screen looks slightly different depending on the device you're using, don't worry. The names of the options should still be very similar. Inside the Account tab, find your Profile section and click Manage. This will open the part of your account where you can control what information is visible on your profile. It's a useful area to know about, especially if you want to make small privacy changes without affecting the rest of your account settings. Once you're there, look for the option related to showing your email on your profile. You should see a switch next to it. To hide your email, simply disable that switch. As soon as it's turned off, your email will no longer be shown on your PayPal profile. And that's it. The change is quick, and it can help keep your profile a bit more private. If you're updating your account settings, it's always a good idea to review the rest of your profile as well, just to make sure everything is set the way you want. Keep in mind that hiding your email on your profile changes its visibility, but it doesn't remove the email from your account itself. Your email will still remain connected to your PayPal account for login, notifications, and account-related activity. That's all you need to do to hide your email on your PayPal profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.